सेक्शन 7 BNS 2023 सेंटेंस में भी wholly और पार्टली रिग्रेस्ड सजा को पूरी या आंशिक रूप से हटाया जा सकता है। सेंटेंस में भी wholly और पार्टली रिग्रेस्ड मीनिंग ऑफ सेक्शन 7 ऑफ द भारतीय न्याय संहिता 2023 introduces the concept that a sentence awarded to an accused by a court may later be reduced either entirely, wholly, or in part, partly. The term regression of sentence simply refers to the process where a valid and lawful punishment is later withdrawn or reduced due to certain legal, humanitarian, or administrative reasons. This is not the same of overturning of conviction. The conviction remains valid, however, due to changing circumstances, the execution of enforcement of the punishment is modified. Who can order regression? The authority to regress a sentence may lie with the President of India under Article 72 of the Constitution, the Governor of the state under Article 161, a competent court under revision, review, or special jurisdictions, government bodies under remission or commutation policies. Why is regression of sentence allowed? There are multiple justifications of regressing a sentence, such as first, good conduct of the prisoner. If the convict has shown exemplary behavior in prison, authorities may decide to reward them by reducing their remaining sentences. Second, health and medical grounds. If the convict is suffering from the serious or terminal illness, it may be human to release them early. Third, rehabilitation and reform. If it is believed that the convict has reformed and is no longer a threat to society, the sentence may be regressed as part of reintegrations. Type of regression under Section 7. Wholly regress sentence. The entire remaining portion of the sentence is withdrawn. Example, a person sentenced to 7 years is released after 3 years, with the remaining 4 years fully cancelled. Partly regress sentence. Only a portion of the sentence is reduced and the convict still have to serve that rest. Example, a 10 years sentence is cut short by the 3 years. The convict serves 7 years instead of 10. Example, let's say a person named Raj is sentenced to 8 years in prison for a crime. After serving 4 years, Raj shows excellent behavior, completes educational programs, and is recommended for early release by the prison commit. The state govern upon receiving the recommendation decide to cancel the remaining 4 years. This is an example of wholly regress sentence. Now it only 2 years are waived and Raj has to serve the last 2 years in prison. It becomes a partly regress sentence. Key legal principles involved. Regression of sentence is not a right but a discretionary power vested in certain authorities. It must be based on reasonable grounds. Arbitrary use can be challenged in higher courts. The original convictions remains unaffected unless separately overturned by appellate of reviewing court. Difference from other legal concepts. Concept meaning regression, reduction, or removal of sentence post conviction. Remission, shortening the duration of sentence, often done revisionally. Pardon, complete forgiveness. Conviction of sentence, both are wiped out. Commutation, changing the nature of the sentence. That if from death of life, appeal legal challenge of the conviction of sentence itself. Conclusion. Section 7 of the BNS is progressive and humanitarian provision that allows the justice system to remain flexible, compassionate, and responsive. It acknowledges the people can change, circumstances evolve, and the not every punishment needs to be absolute. It helps balance the need for justice with the principle of murky reform and social reintegration.